To solve the numerical expression, we follow simplification rules in this sequence. First, we solve division operation. After that, we solve multiplication operation. Then we solve addition operation. And at last, we solve subtraction operation. So the sequence of operations are division, then multiplication, addition, then subtraction. If we take first letters of all these operators, it gives De Moss rule. न्यूमेरिकल एक्सप्रेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए वी यूज डी मॉस रूल. डी फॉर डिवीजन, एम फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ए फॉर एडिशन, एस फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. इट इज नोन एज डी मॉस रूल. फर्स्ट वी डू डिवीजन, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन एडिशन, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. इसी क्रम में हमको ऑपरेशंस को करना है. पहले डिवीजन करेंगे, फिर अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तो वो करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद एडिशन करेंगे, उसके बाद सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे. किसी किसी एक्सप्रेशन में ऐसी भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है कि हमको टर्म्स को साइन के अकॉर्डिंग रीअरेंज करना पड़ता है. तो यहाँ पर एम और ए मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन के बीच में एक और ऑपरेशन हम जोड़ लेते हैं और वो होता है रीअरेंजिंग ऑफ द टर्म. तो अब जो डी मॉस रूल है वो कन्वर्ट हो गया डमरास रूल. डी फॉर डिवीजन, एम फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आर फॉर रीअरेंजिंग, ए फॉर एडिशन, एस फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन. डमरास रूल. दिस रूल can be remembered by a poem. And the poem for solving numerical expression is: first do division, then multiplication, after rearranging add, then subtraction. So we can remember it. Sing with me. First do division, then multiplication, after rearranging add, then subtraction. In this poem, अगर आप पोएम को इस तरह से याद करेंगे तो ये सीक्वेंस आपको याद रहेगा: डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, rearranging of the term, addition and subtraction. Question A. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Here two fractions 7 by 8 and 5 by 8 are positive, whereas 3 by 8 is negative. According to Damras rule, first we divide, then multiply, but here only subtraction and addition, operator of subtraction and addition are present. Division and multiplication are absent. So what we do? We rearrange the terms according to the sign. 7 by 8 is positive, 5 by 8 is positive. So keep the positive terms at one place. So we write 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. जो पॉजिटिव टर्म्स हैं सेम साइन वाले उनको एक पास लिखा और नेगेटिव टर्म को अलग किया. अब लगाते हैं डमरास रूल. तो आफ्टर रीअरेंजिंग इट इज़ एडिशन. तो फर्स्ट वी ऐड दीज टू आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग द डिनोमिनेटर 8. सो राइट द कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 8 एंड ऐड द न्यूमरेटर्स. Now add 7 plus 5 is equal to 8. So it becomes 8 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Here 8 is the denominator. Again the two fractions are like fractions. So take common denominator 8 and subtract the numerator. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 8 is the answer. Question number B. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 divided by 3 by 5. According to Damras rule, first we divide. So here operator of addition and operator of divisions are there. So first we divide. For division, write the first fraction 1 by 2 as it is, then plus 3 by 10. Change the sign of division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Now see, 3 is common factor and 10 is multiple of 5. So for multiplying these fractions, cancel out the common factors 3 and 3 and divide numerator and denominator by 5. 5 ones is 5, 5 twos are 10. Now it becomes 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 1 is 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 both are like fractions. So take the common denominator 2 and add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 and 2 by 2 is 1 and 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 is the answer. Question number C. 2 whole number 1 by 2 plus 3 whole number 1 by 8 divided by 1 whole number 1 by 4 plus 1 whole number 1 by 4. So first of all, we convert all the mixed number into improper fraction. For this, we multiply the whole number part with the denominator and add numerator. Keep that in the numerator and write denominator in the denominator. So 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. In second fraction, whole number part 3 into 8 plus numerator 1 upon 8. In fraction, 1 whole number 1 by 4, whole number part 1 into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. In the last fraction, whole number part into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. So it becomes 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25 by 8 divided by 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4. According to Damra's rule, we first divide. So division is present between 25 by 8 and 5 by 4. So first we divide. For division, write the fraction 5 by 2 plus 25 by 8 as it is. Then change the sign of division into multiplication and take reciprocal of 5 by 4. Reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5 plus 5 by 4. Now it becomes 5 by 2 plus 25 by 8 into 4 by 5 plus 5 by 4. Here 8 is multiple of 4 and 25 is multiple of 5. So divided by 4, numerator and denominator. 4 ones is 4, 4 twos are 8, 5 ones is 5, 5 fives are 25. So fraction becomes 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 4. Now these two are like fraction, but here it is 4 in the denominator. So we take LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we multiply the numerator and denominator of first and second fraction by such a number that it gives denominator 4. So on multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, it gives 5 twos are 10 by 4 plus 5 twos are 10 by 2 twos are 4 plus 5 by 4. Now these are like fractions having denominator 4. To add the like fractions, take the common denominator 4 and add the numerators 10 plus 10 plus 5. It is 25 by 4. It is improper fraction. So divide numerator 25 by 4. It gives whole number 6. So 6 whole number 1 by 4 is the answer. Question D. 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 whole number 1 by 2. So first of all, we convert this mixed number into improper fraction. For this, we write other fraction as it is and multiplied by 1 whole number into denominator. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2. Now the question becomes 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. According to Damra's rule, first we divide. So first we solve this division. For solving division, write the first fraction 5 by 8, change the sign of division into multiplication and take reciprocal of fraction 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now we solve the multiplication. Here 8 is the multiple of 4. So we divide 8 by 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. And here no factor is common. So multiply the numerator and keep it in the numerator. Multiply the denominator, keep it in the denominator. It becomes 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Now 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. These are unlike fractions. So take the LCM of denominator. For finding LCM, write denominator 6 and 4. Divide it commonly by the factor 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again divided by 2. 2 3 is not the multiple of 2. Write 3 as it is. And 2 1s is 2. Again divided by 3. 3 1s is 3. So LCM of 6 and 4 is the product of all these divisors. 2 into 2 into 3 divided is equal to 12. So LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Now we multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by 2 so that it gives denominator 12, and multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction 3 by 4 by 3 so that it gives denominator 12. So 5 into 2 is 10, 6 2s are 12. First fraction is 10 upon 12. Second fraction is 3 into 3 is 9, 4 3s are 12. Now these are like fraction. So take the common denominator 12 and subtract the numerators. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 by 12 is the answer. Question number E. 2 by 5 into 5 by 6 divided by 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12. Here operator of multiplication, operator of division and operator of addition are there. So first we solve operator of division. 2 by 5 into 5 by 6 for division. Change the sign of division into multiplication and take reciprocal of the fraction 2 by 3. So fraction 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 12. Now these two becomes multiplication. See, 5 is the common factor in numerator and denominator, and this 2 and 2 are common, and 6 is multiple of 3. So divide numerator and denominator by 5. 5 1s is 5, 5 1s is 5. Cancel out the common factors 2, and 3 1s is 3, 3 2s are 6, plus fraction 5 by 12. Here in numerator left 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 12. So fraction 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12 left. 1 by 2 and 5 by 12. These are unlike fraction. So first we take LCM of the denominators 2 and 12. 12 is multiple of 2. So LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. Multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 2 by 6 so that it gives denominator 12. 1 into 6 is 6 upon 6 into 2 is 12 plus 5 by 12. Now these are like fraction. To add the like fractions, take the common denominator 12 and write the sum of numerator in the numerator. 6 plus 5 is 11 or upon 12. So 11 upon 12 is the answer. Question F. 4 whole number 1 by 2 plus 3 whole number 1 by 2 divided by 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So first of all, we convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 12 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 1. Nothing is here in the denominator, so we can write 1. According to Damra's rule, first we solve division. So 2 divisions are here. This is one division between 7 by 2 and 7 by 12, and second division is here between 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. For division, we write fraction 9 by 2 plus 7 by 2, change the sign of division into multiplication and take reciprocal of 7 by 12. Reciprocal of 7 by 12 is 12 upon 7 minus 1 by 2, change the sign of division into multiplication, take reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. This 12 is multiple of 2, so divided by 2, 2 ones is 2, 2 sixes are 12, 7 and 7 are common. Now the question becomes 9 by 2 plus 6 by 1 minus 1 by 4. First we add the 1 and 9 by 2 and 6 by 1 are unlike fractions. Multiply numerator and denominator of 6 by 2 so that it gives denominator 2. So it becomes 9 by 2 plus 12 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Then add 9 by 2 with 12 by 2. It becomes common denominator 2. Write the common denominator 2 and add the numerator. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 by 2 minus 1 by 4. These two are again unlike fraction, but 4 is the multiple of 2. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction 21 by 2 by 2 so that it gives the denominator 4. 42 by 4 minus 1 by 4. And these two are like fractions, so write the common denominator 4. 42 minus 1 is 41 by 4. It is improper fraction. Divide the numerator 41 by 4. It gives whole number 10, remainder 1. So 10 whole number 1 by 4 is the answer.